Hi, how's it going? Let's get into how to draw a cat. It's gonna be a real simple one. It's gonna be different versions on this channel, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget, we are selling guided tutorial sheets on this site for the next about 10 days. It's gonna be on the Gumroad, so click on that link. There are over 100 for about $5. About 100 of these sheets. They're step by step and perfectly sized to actually print out. I know a lot of people asked for them, so there they are. All right, and let's get going on this cat. You can grab any marker you want. Let's get started. Pulling an upside down U shape. And we're gonna extend these for the ears. Pulling in, pulling in, and we're going to connect it toward the middle there. So you already have like the outer shape of the cat. So if you get, you know, it's really easy, really simple for beginners, remember. Pulling a line for the top portion of the nose. Thinking of an upside down pizza. Pulling that W shape. It's going to be the cat's mouth. Hopefully you guys are having a great Halloween season. It's really spooky. I love this season. It's my favorite. Another one for the tongue sticking out. Down for the center of the tongue. Upside down U. Another upside down U. We're gonna go over here. Straight line, which kind of parallels where it would run into that line. Imagine an imaginary line, right? Picture an imaginary line rolling across the head. It's gonna line up with those. Up in a triangle, up in a triangle shape. And we're gonna throw whiskers. 3 lines pulling across. Don't worry if they run in. And there's a little bit of discomfort when you pull those lines across other lines you've previously drawn. I think just an inherent thing is not wanting to ruin kind of your previous lines, but just kind of push through that feeling. And that is it. That is a Halloween cat. There's one of many. I'm going to put the actual playlist in the description, so go check that out. Also, don't forget to check out the those tutorial printout sheets. Those are only available for 10 days. Thank you so much for everybody who's already got them. There's a lot of great feedback. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.